Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making banana French toast bites. We're going to jump off this recipe by starting with some vanilla brioche. You can get this from Walmart. They also have chocolate brioche. Whatever bread you would like to use is up to you. So I'm just going to cut this down into slices, bite-sized pieces. So for this mixture, I am going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and then I did use 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Then I realized I needed some more, so I added another 1/3 cup of whipping cream. And then I just sprinkled in some of this cinnamon sugar, and I gave this all a mix, and I used about 6 eggs. So here we have the star of the show. I only used 2 bananas for this recipe because in retrospect, you're dicing this up pretty small. Now, if you're cooking this for a large party, then of course you can use however many bananas you feel is necessary. But for this, I just used 2. So for the sweet part, which is what the bananas is going to go into, we're going to go ahead and get our butter heated up. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of sugar, get that nice and mixed in, and then I'm also going to add some more of that cinnamon sugar right in as well and get that mixed in. And we're going to let that start to cook before we add the bananas. And then we're just gonna kind of mix the bananas around. You don't want the bananas to get too soggy and too soft. You still want them to have its normal texture a little bit. This part is just for the flavoring. So right about here, you're gonna go ahead and cut your heat off and remove it from the heat, so that way, you know, it won't continue cooking. And then right here, we're just gonna go ahead and evenly coat the bread. Now, be sure when you are cooking this that you are cooking all sides, because you don't want one side to be cooked more than the other side, because doing that, you're going to end up having this kind of ooey gooey middle or ooey gooey side, which doesn't taste very good. And I just recommend continuously flipping them until they get the consistency of brown that you like. I wanted mine a little bit crispy on some sides, so that's why in the end, if you see some of them a little crispier than others, that is why. But again, just be mindful to cook all sides. You don't need to worry about going to Denny's or IHOP, and you can literally do this yourself right in your own home. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications so you can always know when a new video is posted. Thank you so much for watching.